If you work in HVAC or refrigeration, you know how important a reliable recovery machine is on the job. In 2025, portable refrigerant recovery machines are faster, more efficient, and easier to carry than ever before. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best portable refrigerant recovery machines built for pros who need power and performance without the bulk, whether you're tackling residential or commercial systems. So let's get started. Number 1. VIVOHOME Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. If you're in the HVAC game or working with automotive AC systems, the VIVOHOME Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine might be the tool that changes how efficiently you work. This machine is built to move fast and work hard thanks to a powerful 3/4 air-cooled piston compressor. It recovers both vapor and liquid refrigerants quickly. You'll notice right away how much time you save on each cycle, whether you're in the field or the shop. It handles a wide range of refrigerants like R134A, R22, R410A, and more, so you're covered no matter the job. What makes it stand out is the safety, which automatically shuts off at high pressure and has built-in overcurrent protection. That peace of mind lets you focus on the task without worrying about system failure. Plus, the pressure gauge gives you real-time updates during the process. It's easy to carry, durable enough for rough environments, and even has dual-stage filtration to keep everything running clean. This is one tough, reliable machine. Number 2. TURBRO Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. If you're looking for a dependable, no-fuss refrigerant recovery solution, the TURBRO Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine might be exactly what you need. With its 3/4 HP oil-free compressor running at 1750 RPM, this machine is built for speed and safety. It recovers refrigerants quickly without leaking harmful gases into the atmosphere, helping you stay compliant and eco-friendly on the job. Whether you're working on residential 360 kitchens, industrial chillers, or automotive ACs, the TURBRO handles it with ease. One of the standout features is the dual pressure gauges, giving you real-time data so you always know what's happening inside the system. It automatically shuts down when pressures get too high or low, which means you're protected every step of the way. The single knob operation makes switching modes surprisingly simple, even when you're dealing with larger systems holding over 22 pounds of refrigerant. With compatibility across a wide range of refrigerants like R410A, R1000, 234YF, and R454B, plus a built-in filter dryer to keep things clean, this machine is built to make your work easier, safer, and more efficient. Number 3. VEVOR Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. If you're tired of slow, clunky recovery machines, the VEVOR Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine is going to feel like a serious upgrade. With a powerful 1 HP dual-cylinder brush motor, it recovers refrigerant at lightning speed up to 7.7 pounds per minute. That's nearly 60% faster than most single-cylinder models, which means more jobs done in less time. Whether you're working with R410A, R134A, R22, or even R1000. 234YA, this compact 39-pound unit can handle it all without breaking a sweat. It's not just about speed, it's smart too. The built-in pressure gauge gives you accurate, real-time readings, and the machine automatically shuts off if things get too pressurized, keeping you safe during operation. And once you're done, just switch it to purge mode and let it clean itself. No leftover refrigerant, no hassle, no damage risk. The easy-to-clean filter keeps impurities and moisture out, so your refrigerant stays clean and your system stays rust-free. For pros who need reliable, high-performance refrigerant recovery on the go, the VEVOR machine is worth a look. Number 4. NAVAC Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. If you're a technician who values speed, reliability, and simplicity, the NAVAC Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine is a game changer. This little powerhouse is built with a dual-cylinder design and a brushless DC motor, which means it recovers refrigerants fast and efficiently. Whether you're working with R410A, R32, or any other common refrigerants, the oil-free compressor makes it compatible and maintenance-friendly while also handling A2L refrigerants safely. One thing you'll appreciate is the large 3-row condenser. With those extra dense fins, it dissipates heat quickly, helping the machine maintain strong performance even during longer jobs. And when you're done, just hit the purge function to clear out any remaining refrigerant. It's clean, quick, and safe. Weighing less than most bulky models, the NAVAC NR7 is super portable and the single button operation couldn't be easier. Whether you're out on a service call or in the shop, this machine keeps the process smooth and efficient. It's compact, powerful, and designed with real-world HVAC workflows in mind. Number 5. Hilmor Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine. If you're tired of lugging around bulky, awkward recovery machines, the Hilmor Portable Refrigerant Recovery Machine is here to change that. This compact powerhouse is built with a brushless DC motor that delivers serious performance without weighing you down. It's lightweight, yet it doesn't sacrifice strength, making it perfect for HVAC techs who need both power and portability on the job. One of the standout features is the digital LCD screen. It gives you clear, accurate readings at a glance, so you're never second-guessing your numbers while working. That kind of clarity helps streamline your workflow. And when you're moving from one job site to another, the built-in hoist points make hands-free carrying super easy, while the integrated cord wrap keeps everything neat and tangle-free. At just over 13 inches tall, this recovery machine is the ideal size, small enough to fit in tight spaces, but still rugged enough for demanding tasks. Whether you're working in a residential attic or a commercial rooftop, the Hilmor makes refrigerant recovery smoother, faster, and way more convenient.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.